What up? We're back at it again. Right now we're pressure washing the engine. I'll show you in a minute. My friend's over there pressure washing the engine that we took out of this coupe. It's a B16A2, the one that came out of SI. So we cleaned it up. We got it on the engine stand, got it all stripped apart, and just going at it, cleaning it up right now. But I was out here messing with my integra too, so I thought I'll show you my integra and what I've done with it. Haven't shown you the car yet before, but here, we'll take a look. We'll walk over there too. It's right out there too. Yeah, he's over there. We're cleaning it. Yeah, buddy Ricky. But yeah. Here's my integra. I'm getting another valve cover painted right now. I don't like those red ones. But I did the ABS tuck. I did it somewhat, you know what I mean? I kind of hit it a little bit down here, if you can see it. Let's see. I tucked it down there a little bit. I had a couple of brake lines. I used some of the old existing brake lines also, but clean out all this ABS mess that was right here. And get some bolts. That's a few rust spots here and there. I'm gonna order a header for it in a couple of weeks. Got a fuel rail, AM gauge, I mean a grams gauge. Yeah, AM fuel rail. I'm getting another valve cover, the one that has the OBD2. I don't like this one right here that it has. But I got some 15-inch Konigs, I think they're Konigs. Yep. I'll show you the inside of the car. It's dirty right now. Inside, I got me a grip wheel, steering wheel, wood grain. Trying to get some other seats. I want to get some GSR seats. The leathers. Got the backs. I need to get the back window tinted also. But the inside is pretty complete. I got me a short shifter for it too. I got me a skunk tube shifter and a skunk tube shift knob. I'll put that in also when I do the exhaust. Hopefully I'll be putting the exhaust in a couple weeks too, once I get the header. But the car's pretty clean in the inside. You can take a walk around. Like I said, I need a new tinted window in the back. Tail lights. I need to order a tail light. This one's freaking chipped right there on the corner. Well, I got some new lug nuts too for the wheels. Some chrome ones. These are all rusted. Oh. Yep. That's my integra. I got a friend, he's painting my intake pipe, painting my cap for that, and painting my valve cover with some cartoonish stuff. It'll look nice. It'll look nice when it's done. I'm probably gonna re-clear the engine bay also. Repaint it. Just re-clear it probably. But yeah, that's the integra. I'll show you the engine in here in a little bit. There's the engine. We're using Dollar Tree, right? Yeah. Dollar Tree oven cleaner. $1. Works great. This is what, the third pass?
Third can.
Third can?
Yeah.
But yeah. Soaking it. Still gotta do the transmission. We do the same thing, oven cleaner. But yeah. There it is. Come back to you once we got it all cleaned up somewhat. Taking a little bit. Here it is, guys. Got it all cleaned up. Still gotta go over it again with some brake cleaner before we paint it. Get some more of the nooks and crannies. But yeah, came out real nice. Oven cleaner, Dollar Tree. Yeah, it's a B16A2. Right now, working on the transmission. Yep. And I'll keep you updated as we go. Check you later. Hey guys, next day, last night we primered the engine and transmission. I'll show you right now. So far what we got. Here's the backside. Primer. Right now it's just primer. The fender rake's on the way. Throw some paint. Get it finished up. You know, pretty nice, pretty nice. Here's the transmission. Looks good. Just with the primer looks real good. Just being one color, one even color. But yeah, fixing to throw some paint and see how it looks. Oh, we're using. Right here is a VHT engine primer, and I'm gonna use a. Where's it? Go find it. High temp engine enamel. And it's gonna we're using universal aluminum. I picked up at AutoZone. But yeah, we'll get back to you as soon as we start show how the paint turns out. But keep in touch. We'll be right back.
Oh, I don't need a gasket here. I just need a gasket
We
maker.
finished painting motor transmission. There's the transmission all done up. Came out pretty nice, pretty nice. Here's the engine. Pretty nice. Looks nice. Came out silver. Nice and silver. Pretty clean. Now we're just gonna clear some room in here to bring the car in here, get it ready, cleaned up. But yeah, we'll check back in here in a little bit. All right, guys, we got the car in here. Got it somewhat cleaned up a little bit. Well, not really, but we took a lot of stuff off already. The front end, the lights. So I go in here. We're gonna have to take off the radiator support. The one has been in, but we already have the new radiator support. We'll be working on putting that in, and then yeah, it's already starting to get dark on us. And it's Sunday. We're gonna call it a day and close out this video. But also after this video, I'm gonna have a video on doing the valve stem seals on the head that we did, and so you go prepare to watch that one too. But yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll keep in touch.